Hey everyone! If you want to know how to split the screen on Windows 10, here's a guide to help. To do so, you just need to follow these steps. 1. Select a window you want to split your screen with. The split screen function in Windows 10 will work with most applications and tabs, including third-party programs, as well as browsers and even file managers. Just select whatever window you want to take up a portion of the screen first. For this tutorial, we're going to fill half the screen with a Google Chrome tab, the other half with File Explorer. 2. Press Windows plus left or right. Pressing the Windows key plus the left or right arrow key will make whatever window you have open take up exactly half of your screen. Obviously, pressing the left arrow key will make it take up the left side of the screen, whereas the right arrow key will make it take up the right side. Or you can drag the window to the edge of your screen, and a thin black outline will appear showing you which portion of the screen it will now take up. But using the keyboard shortcut is much simpler and less finicky in our experience. 3. Select a second window. If you have more than one window open when you complete Step 2, they should appear as thumbnails on the other half of the screen. Just select whichever one you want to take up the remaining half of the screen, and it will automatically fill the space. 4. Drag the divider to your preference. If you don't want the two windows that are each taking up half the screen to have the same share of the screen, as you need one to be bigger than the other, just click on the thin dividing line between the two windows and drag it either left or right to match your needs. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.